Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure Vimeo app. On WordPress dashboard, go on Mini Orange Social Login plugin. Click on Vimeo. We will go through the steps in this video. Click on Vimeo developer link. On Vimeo developer page, click New App. Give an appropriate app name. An app description. Click checkbox that I agree terms and condition. Click Create App. On next page, scroll down. Click on Add URL. Go to Instruction and copy callback URL. Paste callback URL. And click Add. Now get your client identifier. Copy it. And paste it in App ID field. Get your client secret. Copy it. And paste it in App Secret field. Now save it. Then click on Test Configuration. Authorize your Vimeo. User attribute of Vimeo app will get display here. Go on Vimeo. Here you will get option to enable and disable icon. Open new tab, go on Login page. On Login form, click on Vimeo icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Vimeo attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.